Good morning, students. We'll start our class. So in the last class, I've told that I'll give a small UT. Yes or no? So already we have finished one UT. So next in that book only you write down max, write today's date, UT 2. In the last first UT I have written, no, there only you have to write. In the new page, take out fresh page, write today's date and day, max UT 2 you write. Understood? Only the answers you have to write. So, first one, first main, filling the blanks. First main, filling the blanks. First one, write only the heading. First main, filling the blanks, read the question and write only the answers. Understood? Don't copy the question. There is no zero in the dash. You have to write the answer. Understood? There is no zero in the dash. One you put and write only the answer. Understood? Second one, dash were used by the ancient Romans as their numbering system. Write only the answer. If you have finished first one, write second one and write only the answer. Don't copy this one, everything. Understood, all of you? First main, filling the blanks. First one you write. There is no zero in the dash they have given. So write only one and write answer. Second one, write only the answer. Don't copy this question. Understood? Third one, repetition of a symbol. Repetition of symbol means dash. You have to write the answer. Third one you write and write answer. Don't copy the question. Next. Fourth one. The Romans used dash of the alphabets as basic symbols. So, the Romans used dash of the alphabets as their basic symbols. Second main, copy down fast. Write the Hindu, Arabic, numerals for each of the following. Only you should write the heading. Understood? First one. X, X, X. Write only the answer. You can copy this one question. Understood? So, copy the question and write the answer. D. Third one. V. 3 lines. Fourth one. X, X, V, I. So this is for 2 marks. This is for 4 marks. Next, filling the blanks 4 marks. This one second main 2 marks. Half of marks for this one. Understood? Next, third main, copy down fast. Third main, write the Roman numerals. You have to write the Roman numerals. This also 2 marks. 2 marks. 3, 4 I'll write here. Hundred, first one 100. You have to write the Roman numerals. You have to write in Roman numerals. Finish it fast. Second one 25. 25. Third one 14. Fourth one 40. Next, fourth main. Write in ascending and descending order. You have to write in ascending and descending order. Understood? This 2 marks. Finish it fast. I'll give 2 minutes. Finish it fast. Don't copy from your textbooks and work this one class or book. Understood? You have learned, no? Don't take help from your parents also. How much you know, so much you write down. In both the ways, you have to do ascending and descending order. Ascending means smaller to bigger you have to arrange. Descending order, bigger to smaller. Finished? Finish it fast. Only so much. Right here, ascending order. Then down you write descending order. Understood? If you have learnt, it is easy only. Finished? For this all, you have to copy the questions. Only for filling the blanks, don't copy. Directly you write the answer. Finish it fast. See here, you have to correct yourself only. So, if it is correct, put a small tick. If your answer is wrong, if your spelling is wrong, means put wrong. Understood? Don't copy from the textbook or from the classroom book. Understood? Don't bring for correction. You should only correct this one. UTs will not correct. When you are bringing for correction, don't bring this one UT book. For you to learn, I am giving these UTs. Understood? So first fill in the blanks. There is no zero in the dash. So what is the answer for that one? It is Roman system. If your answer is right, then only you have to put tick mark. Roman system. Roman system. R-O-M-A-N. Roman. If you have written Roman correct, system wrong, then system is wrong. For this, you have to give half marks. If both the answer is correct, you can get 1 marks. Understood? How to correct, I am telling. If your answer is half correct, half wrong, means half marks you have to give. If both the answer are correct, means you have to give 1 marks. Understood? R-O-M-A-N. Roman system. S-Y-S-T-E-M. System. If your answer is correct, put a tick mark.